Okay, friends, my camera may die. So I'm gonna try to make this video a little bit more of a quickie because I feel inspired to talk about it right now. So I have to talk about it right now or I will spontaneously combust. Do I look cute or do I look scary? Or do I look edgy with this eyeshadow situation? It's up to you to decide if I ever wear this style of makeup on video ever again. Thanks so much. I'm Danny Driuso. I am an author, I'm an educator, I am a speaker, helping you own the F out of who you are online and offline. I talk about a concept called iconic leadership, which we talk about leading with integrity, communication, ownership, nuance, intention, and impact, capacity, and consent. I also teach on sustainable confidence, and I also help you communicate who you are to the world around you in an authentic and truthful way. That's a lot. So if you're new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back, friend. I'm so happy that you're here. Today, we're actually talking about some cult stuff. So get excited. If you follow me on anything, you know that I regularly am researching a lot of stuff on cult psychology and authoritarian control. And I'm really interested about it and what that fine line is between being a strong leader and holding a space for people to improve themselves or educate themselves on things that they might not have access to otherwise, and then just straight up cult manipulation. So we're gonna go into it. I don't take this lightly. I just wanna say that first and foremost. Stuff is pretty serious, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to bring it up, because something that is often said in the online space and in marketing, and I've said it myself, is I really would love a cult-like following, or I want to build a brand that has a cult-like following. And I wanted to bring attention to those phrases because do we actually know what we're saying when we say, I want a cult-like following? Words matter. ABC, all behavior is communication. And when we speak and when we talk about the things that we want and desire and how we market ourselves, we are constantly communicating who we are, our value system to the world around us, whether that be in social media or real life or on stages. And within that, we are giving information to our audience in hopes that when they want to hire us, they have informed consent of what they are saying yes to and the spaces that they are saying, yes, I want to learn in these spaces. So we want to make sure that we are really open and authentic so that people know what they are consenting to, and consent and choice is important. But not if you want a cult-like following, it's not. One of the things when we say, I want a cult-like following, I know that we're not meaning what it means. What we're actually trying to communicate is that we want a strong customer base, consumer base that is loyal to our company, that wants to buy our products. And we are almost talking about sensationalized adoration. Like we want fans, people who love it, people who will market our stuff to their friends, people who will leave really amazing reviews and say, I love this product, I love this brand, I love this company, and who will continue to buy from us. Like Apple product buyers. I love Apple. Apple, sponsor me, please. Please. If I'm gonna go stand in front of an Apple store and wait for the new iPhone or whatever, I'm not doing that without choice. I'm doing that because I choose to do it. There's a lot of people who don't choose to do it. I personally don't choose to do it. I know people who do choose to do it. I love Apple products. I use mostly all Apple products. I love it. It's very user-friendly for me, but I'm not sitting there being like indoctrinated into a community where it takes away critical thinking or it takes away any type of choice or autonomy. Is me as my own individual. When I say autonomy, I really mean me as my own individual. I am a separate entity as someone else. I have my own thoughts, beliefs, value system that I am basing my own life on, right? We're playing the giant game of The Sims and I am player one in my own game. And so when we look at cult-like followings, we are truly looking at, and what I'm truly looking at right now is the BYEEE model, B-I-T-E, model of authoritarian control from Stephen Hassan. Let's hear him say it.
My name is Steve Hassan.
Hassan. Thanks, Steve Hassan. Steve Hassan's BYEEE model of authoritarian control, which talks about behavior control, information control, thought control, and emotional control. So when we say that we want a cult-like following, are you really saying that you want to create a space and a following that, number one, regulates individuals' physical reality, dictates where, how, and with whom the member lives and associates or isolates, regulates diet, food, drink, hunger, and or fasting, manipulation and deprivation of sleep, permission required for major decisions, rewards and punishments used to modify behaviors both positive and negative, discouraged individualism and encouraged groupthink, impose rigid rules and regulations, punishing disobedience, threatening harm to family members and friends. This is just behavior control. Are you also saying that you want to create an environment that has deception with deliberate withholding information, distorting information to make it more acceptable, systemic lies to cult members, minimizing or discouraging access to non-cult sources of information, which is essentially propaganda? Are you wanting to create unethical use of information? Are you wanting to do thought control, emotional manipulation? Probably not. And I will put this BYEEE model, I'll link it below in the comment section so you can take a look at that for yourself. What you're probably saying is that you just want to be adored and have a presence that people want to be a part of, or a community people want to be a part of, or a brand that people want to consume and buy and be a part of the story of the brand, right? And this is where we need to really make sure that we are staying in our own value system, in our own ethics, and really encouraging choice and consent within our content, our marketing, and us. But those are things in those gray scales of personal development world and stuff like that. I think encouraging choice and autonomy. I'm not an expert in this, by the way. I just really am passionate about this and very interested in this type of psychology. But with that, we really want to make sure that we are separating ourselves from this idea of I am the number one authority and you can't question me and you can't think for yourself and you can't question the values that I hold. Like as someone who has this YouTube channel, you don't have to trust me, you don't have to like me. I'm willing to earn your trust. And also, I'm okay if my clients and stuff question me because I'm still just a human being. I don't have all the answers. But when you put yourself up on a pedestal and say, I'm the ultimate authority, that's that cult-like following, that not wanting to be questioned, that this has to be how it is. And I think that a lot of people fall into that by accident because of the lack of confidence and a lack of security in who they are and what they stand for, because any type of questioning creates a threat to that person's sense of safety, which is where we can really get grayscale lines of this. Is this interesting to you? Do you want me to do more videos on this? Let me know. Ask me questions in the comment section. Like I said, my camera is so close to dying right now. I'm on the last little bar, but that is something that I just wanted to bring into this topic. I would love to do a little bit more of a deep dive on this in marketing and stuff like that. And also when it comes to leadership spaces or marketing and stuff, you'll see a lot of in this, it's like encourage duplication and don't question certain things and don't associate with people outside the ecosystem. There's a lot of stuff. So if you are not wanting to manipulate and control people, you're probably not looking for a cult-like following. You're probably just looking for a really successful business structure or personal brand. So should we strike that from our vocabulary? Maybe. I'll let you choose. You decide. You decide that for yourself. I'm just here to open up the conversation. So I can't wait to continue the conversation with you in the comment section. I will link all my things below too, so you know where to find me. And I'm sending you massive love. Kick ass, take names, change the world. You're freaking fabulous. Stop being so secretive about it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.